are recreating soft spongy dhokla, a popular Indian snack made with gram flour, yogurt and lots of flavor. These are best eaten with sweet tamarind date chutney or coriander mint chutney. The moist dhoklas are sweet, salty and mildly spiced and goes perfectly well with a cup of hot tea. The snack is steamed, gluten-free and protein-rich, and today I am sharing a vegan version of the dhokla which can be easily made in a steamer as per the mold available. The ingredients used are easily available in the kitchen, and today I'll share a recipe so that you can achieve perfect results each time, and this will be vegan and gluten-free. Add a cup of water in a big bowl, 2 tablespoons of ginger green chili paste, 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to activate the baking soda, and mix well. Further, add canola oil and give it a good whisk so that everything is well incorporated. Add 1½ cup of gram flour and mix everything to remove any lumps. To smooth the batter further, add baking soda to which some water has been added so that it easily mixes with the batter. Whisk it well till the batter is foamy and changes into a light color. Separately, put the steamer to a boil and arrange some silicone cupcake molds in the basket. In case you do not have silicone molds, you can use some metallic tart cases or a steel cake pan if you have. Pour 1/4 cup of batter in the mold and repeat for all the molds till all the batter is used up. This batter yields 12 pieces of dhokla of cupcake sizes. Arrange the steamer over each other and steam the dhokla for 20 minutes on a high. Do not be tempted to open the steamer in between. As the dhoklas are steaming, let us quickly prepare the filling. For the filling, we would require shredded carrot, some finely chopped bell peppers, boiled corn kernels, chopped coriander, grated fresh carrots, juice of half a lemon, and salt to taste, and mix everything together. In another pan, take some oil, put a teaspoon of brown sesame seeds, slit green chilies as per taste, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, few curry leaves, powdered asafoetida or hing in Hindi, give it a good mix and allow the seeds to splutter. Add a cup of water, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar and allow it to boil and keep aside. Now demold the dhokla in the plate and pour the prepared sugar mixture on the dhokla. Pouring the warm syrup on the warm dhoklas allows it to absorb it better, and hence the dhoklas will come out way softer and spongy. Now place the prepared filling mixture in the cavity of the dhokla. In case you do not have the mold like shown over here, you can put it on any cupcake mold that you have. These are looking so amazing. It's a perfect snack or a beautiful breakfast idea if you're looking for something delicious, healthy and so colorful. So I hope you like this recipe as much as I did, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We are sharing healthy recipes every week.